Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I am Kevin, and tonight I'm going to try a dessert on the Blackstone Pizza Oven. And the dessert I'm making is a blueberry, kind of like a pocket pie. I put blueberries inside this pie crust. So, want to know how I did it? Let me just show you real quick, and then we'll do a taste test. Okay, so we want to start with 1 packet of softened cream cheese. And just get this into our bowl. And then I've got a can of blueberry pie mix topping. And I'm just going to add, let me just see here, 1, 2, I think I'm going to add right about half of the can. And then you just want to mix it up the best you can. It won't mix smoothly without like totally crushing the berries. So just mix it up. And there you go. I have some cream cheese chunks and blueberries. And then I have, you know, the pie crust that you buy out of the box. You want to just unroll that. And then I'm going to take my pizza cutter, actually, and I'm going to cut lightly. I'm not going to cut all the way through, but lightly, just to make some marks on this dough so I know where to put my pie filling. So this is going to make 8 little pocket pies. And like I said, I'm sure I went through it a couple of places, but it doesn't matter. And then I'm going to take my filling and fill in between each one of those little pie shapes on the pie crust. So used to making pizzas, but I'm using an actual pie crust, Pillsbury pie crust. And I'm just going to fill these all up, all the way around. Look how fast I am. Okay, kind of shape them a little bit while you're there, get them in the shape of the triangle. And then I have the top part of the pie crust, and we're just going to fold or lay this right on top. All right, just like this. And you want to start pushing down on the edges and kind of crimping the edges as you go. You want to make sure you got a nice tight seal. All right, just like that. And then when you're done, you want to just take your fingers and just go in between each of those piles of blueberry and cream cheese to make the actual pockets. You just push down. You want to make sure you got a good seal. All right, so then I'm going to take the pizza cutter and I'm going to cut these all in individual pies and then push down on the edges, just like that. All right, we're going to get this out to the Blackstone Pizza Oven after I put a couple holes in each one, like little vent holes for each pocket. And there you go. Here we are. Look at that. We're going to put this into the Blackstone Pizza Oven at 400 degrees. And I think this is only going to take 5 to 8 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. So anyway, I'm going to let this spin, and I'll be right back when this is a little toasty brown. There it is again, 400 degrees. Look at that. All right, we look at a little golden brown, and honestly, I should have took it off right then and there. I let it go another round, but you know, hey, it is what it is. And this is the end result. Got a little dark on the edges, but not too bad. Okay, pretty easy, right? You could do with blueberries, apple pie, canned stuff. You can make your own, right? I just had to make it quick and easy. Uh-oh, the corner just broke off. And my whipped cream's falling off. So I'm going to do a taste test. Here we go. Here's a piece that broke off. It's got the blue cheese and the cream cheese and the blueberries. It's falling apart on me. All right, there you go. Blueberry pie, little pocket pies on the Blackstone Pizza Oven. That is really, really good. 400 degrees. I didn't show it, but I think it took about 5 minutes. All right, so pizza oven. You don't have to just make pizza. Thanks for checking this out. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.